Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine and are safe. For those who are new, this is Prerna. So by the title of the video, you already know that I will be recommending you a few shows that you should watch. And let me tell you, these are not the shows that you've already watched, like Breaking Bad or GOT or How I Met Your Mother. These are a few different shows which you definitely should watch. So yeah, without wasting any further time, let's just check out these shows. So the very first show is The Peaky Blinders. I am absolutely in love with this show. It is my current favorite, and it has like 5 seasons, and one season is coming up, and I have legit binged watched this series in the quarantine. The IMDb rating for this show is 8.8, which is pretty good, and it's basically a crime drama series. There is excellent cinematography, excellent soundtrack, and consistent character build up. And of course, Thomas Shelby, absolutely in love with that character. And I am 100% sure that if you happen to watch like Peaky Blinders, you are going to fall in love with him. I'm not sure like if there have been enough shoutouts to the Peaky Blinders. So if you want to spend your time watching some quality series, you found your pick. So for the second one, it's The Planet Earth. Like, it is one of the best documentaries that I have seen so far. It's highly recommended. The IMDb rating for this show is like 9.5, and the part 2 is 9.4 or 9.3, and it's the best rated show. Like, it has such beautiful pictures of Earth, so many unseen footages of Earth. Like, I don't know, I was legit awestruck when I actually watched this documentary. It actually features the global overview of the habitat on Earth. So you should definitely give this one a try. I'm sure you won't be disappointed. So for the third one, we have The Band of Brothers. It's actually an American war drama mini-series. For a while, it was on the number 1 on the IMDb series, leaving the GOT and the Breaking Bad behind. Right now, it's on the number 3. I'm not a person who watches war kind of series or movies, but it was highly recommended to me by one of my friends, and it was worth the shot. Like, obviously, like if it was on number 1 IMDb, it has to be great. Like the dialogue delivery, the cinematography is so good. It completely depicts the brotherhood the people in the military share. Like, my favorite dialogue was this one. Like, when my grandson asked me, "Grandpa, were you a hero in the war?" To which he says, "No, but I served in the company of heroes." Like, this dialogue itself shares, like, tells us the brotherhood they share in the military. So if you like to watch such kind of series, like which are war based, you should definitely give this one a try. So for the fourth one, it's The Dark. This is one hell of a crazy series. Like, it has 2 seasons. The third one is coming up on 27th of June. The IMDb rating for this show is 8.7, which is pretty good. It's the first German series to be produced on Netflix. It's a mystery drama based series that introduces a lot of puzzles, a lot of character twists, and like which have connections to their past and stuff. This includes supernatural elements that tie back to the town's history in 1986 and stuff. Like, if you like to watch such supernatural elements, and yeah, like, I just don't want to spill out the stuffs. I'm just trying to control. But yeah, if you really like to watch such drama kind of series, you should definitely give this a try. It is worth, legit, it is worth. It's too good. So for the fifth one, it's The Last Ship. Like, this series, The Last Ship, is on Amazon Prime, and it has 5 seasons. Follows a Navy ship captain, Tom Chandler, and his crew are on a mission to save the world from a deadly virus that is causing a pandemic. Sounds familiar, right, to our situation? Like, I have just finished watching the season 1, and I'm watching the season 2, and I am so hooked to the show, like, because it's quite relatable to our situation. So far, my favorites are like Tom Chandler, who is the captain, and Dr. Rachel Scott, who is the scientist. These characters are special to me in their own way. I won't go too deep into the details and spoil it for you, but if you are into watching something like this, then you should definitely give this one a try. So the sixth one is the Naruto. The people who know me know that I am such a huge fan of this show. It has 2 parts, Naruto and Naruto Shippuden. Like, Naruto has some, I think, 200 episodes, and the Shippuden has 500. And yeah, like, I don't know. I'm just so happy. I don't even know why did I put this for the sixth one. Like, I should have put it for the first one, but never mind. A young ninja boy who is, constantly wants to gain recognition from his peers, who's dreaming of becoming the Hokage. Hokage is the leader of the village, and you know he is also, with all this, he is constantly behind saving his best friend from the darkness. So like his motto, the only motto in his life is to never give up. You know, I can just go on talking and talking about this show, and but obviously I don't want to spoil it for you, but you should seriously watch this one. I feel so connected to this show. I don't know for what reason, but this show is really close to my heart. For everyone who know how much I love this one, so you know you should seriously watch this one. You should definitely give this a try, and you know this is legit my favorite, like believe it. So the seventh one is The Sinners. Actually, The Sinners has 2 seasons, but I did not like the first one that much. But the second one, the Quora one, is absolutely great. The IMDb rating for the Quora one is actually 8. It's actually a crime, drama, thriller, mystery kind of a series, and I am actually fond of the mystery and the crime drama kind of series. It's actually about a chilling murder case, you know, like which actually shocks the whole town, and a detective hunt for this complete murder case reveals the sinister background and stuff. So you know, like it's actually pretty interesting. I don't want to spoil it for you, obviously. You should definitely give this one also a try, like, especially the part 2. It's a must watch, and part 1 and part 2 obviously are not linked, so yeah, you can directly even watch the part 2. So the last one, that is the 8th one, is the Chernobyl. I think all of y'all must have known about this incident. It's actually based on true incident, the Chernobyl, and you can find the series on the Hotstar. It's actually a historical mini drama series of 5 episodes. Chernobyl in the Soviet Union, which suffers the worst man-made catastrophe. The effects of this catastrophe are still being experienced by the people who are there. Actually, the city is evacuated now. Like after watching the series, I read a bit about it. So the ruins contained in this metal shell, you know, are still highly radioactive, and people say that the effects of this are still going to continue for like next 20,000 years. Yeah, so like since it's based on true event, I had watched this, I think, quite a long time back, but you know you should definitely watch if you haven't watched this one. IMDb rating for this show is like 9.4, which is so good. So you know it's a must watch show. So these were a few shows that, you know, I would be recommending you to watch, like must watch actually, because they are so good. I don't know, I can just keep on talking and talking, saying so good again and again. But yeah, apart from this, there is one more show that I would recommend you, is watching the Ramayan, which is being telecasted on the DD channel, and you won't believe the IMDb rating for this show is 8.9, which is so good, like despite of how it was shot and everything. So yeah, you should also watch Ramayan and, you know, have some quality time with your family. So I guess that was pretty much it for this video. Let me in the comment section if you happen to watch any of these shows, or if you want me to make more such type of videos suggesting you more movies or shows. So yeah, I think this was pretty much it, and I'll see you around in the next video. Bye.